And so what we've increased is the maximum bandwidth for network quality settings. So that means that if you have the game set to ultra right now, that will increase like that setting. You've been able to like manually do this, but now we're kind of like changing the way the game sets it. And what does that mean? That means that all our network settings will have a higher amount of bandwidth as you're playing. So, you know, normal, whatever they call it, I can't remember the names of them, but like essentially the amount of network data that's transported in each like per second, I guess, because it is defined in hertz, will increase a little bit. So if you've set the game to ultra right now and you start to run into issues, try backing down a step. Not network tick, or be it, I think we increased that too, actually, now that I think about it. Or maybe that's something that's coming, but I think the game is running at 20 ticks per second, or 20 hertz. I think we're upped it to 30 now, or 40, I can't remember. I think that's improved, but it's not in the patch notes. I'm not sure if it actually came in this setting. 20 tick on high setting, yeah. No, it's always been 20, regardless of what setting you've had on. And we'll see what happens, because the thing with that is that if you have like big bases, you might get worse network performance because of that. So we'll see, kind of based on your feedback, what happens there if we decide to go with it or not. Or maybe we didn't do it because it's not in the patch notes. So that was something that we looked into. Anyway, and there's been a general bandwidth reduction in the game in general. So we've optimized like bandwidth consumption for HUD and localization for the replication graph, which is the underlying replication layer, and then inventory replication and like a lot of minor replication changes. So it's essentially like we've done some optimization on networking in general.